How's it going, bro? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Fritz, your favorite music producer and content creator. In this video, I'm going to explain you exactly how to produce tech house like John Summit. We're going to do this whole tutorial in FL Studio, and it's going to be really easy for you to understand how to do this exactly. We're going to go through a lot of production techniques, what John Summit is going through as well when he's producing music. So definitely make sure you stick until the end of this video, because especially the last 4 techniques are really important for you, and you can use them in all your future productions. So definitely make sure you watch this whole video. So John has a very specific type of producing and releasing his tracks. On the one side, he has tracks with like a lot of female vocals and very epic tech housey tracks, and on the other side, he has definitely also releases which are more deep and also more filthy. And we're gonna go and work a little bit on a project which is more filthy, which sounds a bit more deeper. So I found this synth loop on Splice and I just put it into the playlist. So I would say that to start straight away with a kick pattern. So I found this specific kick here, which makes total sense. Assign it to channel 5, and let's just put it in here. And now it's right a little filthy bass line. So I found this specific presets on Serum. Yeah, this is really good. I like it. Let's just add a very simple clap now as well. I have this clap pattern already ready in my template. Perfect. I have also a hi-hat pattern which I can just chuck in straight away. Easy. If you've gotten any value from this video so far, please make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel, and also hit the notification bell, because I want you to be the first ones who can implement all the new techniques I'm teaching you. And I'm also basically building this little community, and you're basically helping building this community, so definitely make sure you do this right now. Now let's add a little hi-hat pattern.
Magic flows through my veins.
Yeah, that's good. Let's just use the first syllable, the magic, and just put it into every single bar.
Magic. 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 Magic.
I think this part of this track is already the drop. So let's maybe now, because it is a drop and this is like very repetitive, let's just like add a snare roll somewhere here. And then it goes into the second part of the drop, which is like even more powerful and a bit different with different vocals, for example.
Magic. 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 Magic.
And now there's another drop happening here. Like this is already a drop, this is like a lot of energy already, but here there's another build-up and another drop happening. By the way, if you're interested in getting this specific house music production template where you have basically all the patterns already ready to go, instrument 1, 2, 3, hi-hats, short hi-hats, you can definitely purchase this template right now on tunemetal.com. The link for that in the description. It's just gonna save you heaps of time, because all the channels are already assigned. Even here in the mixer channel, there's already 50 ready to go mixing and mastering chains for you to jumpstart your production. You don't have to do this all. You don't have to load up everything. There's also high pass, low pass filters. To get the specific template, make sure you go right now on tunemetal.com. It's gonna jumpstart your production. It's gonna make it really easy for you. So definitely make sure you buy just right now for under $10. Now I want like 2 kicks. And then on the third kick of the second part of the drop, I want to add like a crash. Let's add another marker here. Drop /2. Let's add this crash here. But we want to continue the normal bass pattern here as usual. So I'm just going to do like this. And we're going to add the bass line in again. Add all the drums again here. Comment below this video right now if you think if I should release the track. I might actually do this because it sounds quite interesting, but you let me know definitely if this is worth it to release it. And now to round up the speed, because it's again very repetitive, let's just add some rides here in the end.
Release.
Oh, where's the bassline? Stop. We need the bassline. This is not happening here. There's no tech house without a good bassline.
Release.
Let's start the vocals here again. Attack. Sustain. Release. Attack. John Summit is here. Hey, just a quick side note. If you want to get your music on a Spotify playlist, then I have something massive for you. So I've just created 3 brand new tech house and house music playlists on Spotify, and my plan basically is just to grow them and create a lot of organic streams, and I'm always looking for new tracks what I could potentially put on them which will support the track of those playlists. So if you want to get your tracks featured on one of those playlists, here's what you're going to do. Go right now under this video and like all 3 playlists. After that, you're gonna go on my Instagram profile, follow me there, and send me a private message with your already released track on Spotify, and then I will have a listen to it. Little disclaimer here, I can't promise you that I'm gonna put your tracks on the playlist because it definitely depends on the vibes of your tracks, the quality as well, but I'm gonna have a listen to each single track you send me, and then I'm gonna basically make this decision, and we can like that help each other to grow our Spotify streams organically with playlists and support each other in this little community. Before you continue scrolling mindlessly through YouTube, please make sure you check out this video, which explains exactly how to master sound selection and sound design. It's a very, very important video. It's probably one of the most important videos you're ever going to watch on YouTube about music production, because it explains really easily how you have to do this and how important it actually is to choose the right sounds and what kind of factors are important to make this possible. By saying that, thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you in my next tutorial.